Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. As you can see, today we're doing a DIY and it's because I'm using aloe vera for hair mask. I started with my hair looking like that, and after I had the conditioner in it, this is how it looked like. So my hair was feeling a little dry, and it's probably because I've been blow drying my hair lately. So I decided to make this aloe vera hair mask to moisturize my hair. As you all know, or as some of you don't know, aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, it prevents itching on the scalp, and it also reduces dandruff and it conditions your hair. So as you can see, I'm just peeling the aloe vera. I got my aloe vera from Walmart. I noticed that they recently started carrying aloe vera. They never had it before, but I went there and I bought a few stems because I wanted to make a few aloe vera DIY hair masks. And as you can see, I'm just peeling it and I'm making sure that I remove the green parts so that I only have the jelly left. So after I finish peeling the aloe vera, I'm going to just put it in my little blender. You can use any blender that you have. And then I'm going in with avocado. So avocado nourishes and strengthens your hair. It encourages hair growth as well. It improves the condition of the scalp, and it also prevents hair loss. So it's also another great product to add into it. So now that I have the avocado and the aloe vera in there, I'm just going to go on ahead and blend them into a puree. I'm going to use aloe vera juice to help me blend the stuff together. You can use water if you don't have any aloe vera juice. You can also use coconut milk, as coconut milk is a great conditioner for your hair if you need moisture. And after blending it, I'm basically just going to make sure that I sifted through my pantyhose. I basically just cut my stockings, like the legs part, and I'm going to use that to strain it, because the aloe vera and avocado, they have little strings, so if you don't remove that right now, they're going to be stuck in your hair and it is going to be annoying to remove them, and it's going to take a while to remove them. So make sure you do this part. Please don't skip it. It is a necessary process. So just make sure you sift it through. I wouldn't even recommend like using, like the thing you use to sift tea leaves. I'd recommend you use the pantyhose because they're much smaller and they catch everything. So this is what you don't want in your hair. So please make sure you do this. Don't tell me after if you didn't do this. So after that, I'm going in to add olive oil. Olive oil promotes moisturized and healthy scalp. It helps to fight infections caused by bacteria, and it also improves the blood circulation in your scalp. When you have better circulation in your scalp, then the hair follicles grow stronger and softer and thicker. And then to add on to it, I'm going in with honey. Honey moisturizes dry hair and scalp. It reduces hair breakage. It restores shine, improves the condition of natural hair. It reduces frizzy hair and it softens hair as well. So all of these really amazing products to help moisturize my hair, to take care of my scalp, and to just help me grow thicker and healthier hair in general. So I'm just going to go in with a spoon, as you can see, and I'm mixing it. You can put it in the little blender again if you just want to use it to mix, or a spoon just works just fine, as you can see. So I have shampooed my hair and I made sure that all the junk is off. It's just clean and clarified. And now I'm just going to go in and add this aloe vera hair mask that I made and moisturize my hair. I'm going to do it in sections because I want the products to go everywhere. And as you can see, I'm really just taking my time and I am finger detangling as I go. So don't forget to put this on your scalp as well, because most of the products that we used have really nice benefit for your scalp to clarify it, and you want your scalp to be nicely clarified, the bacteria dead, so that you're growing healthy hair from the root. And as you can see, I'm just putting them in big twists just so that I can section it out, and it's just easier and more manageable to go doing it section at a time. And it also allows me to get way in the middle of each section and just put the product in there and make sure that every strand is covered. I'm not going to detangle my hair right now. I'm going to detangle after I've had the aloe vera deep conditioner in my hair for some time. So I'm going to just go off camera and I'm going to finish the rest of my head, and then I'll just come back and show you. So this is what it looks like after I've finished everything. I'm going to take this shower cap and I'm basically going to put it on my head and have it covered. Guys, I like using grocery bags better. I feel like they work so much better. So even after putting this shower cap, I'm just going to put on a grocery bag because I feel like there's just more heat. You know, when you use the grocery bag, because it covers it and it's nice and thick. You can also go on ahead and put a towel on your head on top of it just to keep the heat inside, to make sure the heat is not going anywhere, and if your house is cold, it just keeps it warm. So after 30 to 45 minutes, you go on ahead and detangle your hair at this point if you want. You can also detangle your hair with your leave-in conditioner and cream after, if that's what you want. So for me, I detangled my hair at this process. My hair was feeling nice. It was feeling like moisturized already. I know it still has products in it, but that's why I'm just detangling now, and it just feels really nice and soft. As you can see, my hair texture looks a little bit looser because of the products that are in it. So like it's, you know, the products are heavy. So this is what the hair looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below, and also leave a comment down below if you've tried this hair mask or are you going to try it. Thank you for coming to the channel, guys. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye-bye.